This program is a GPA to letter grade converter. It asks the user to enter their GPA. Input gets it as a text and float converts it to a number with decimal. Then this checks if the GPA is 3.6 or higher. If yes, the letter grade is set to A. If the GPA is 3.0 to 3.59, the letter grade becomes B. If the GPA is 2.0 to 2.99, the letter grade becomes C. If the GPA is 1.0 to 1.99, the letter grade becomes D. And else, if the GPA is below 1.0, the letter grade is F. And prints the GPA and its corresponding letter grade in a readable format.